In this guide, you'll learn how to clear the history cache and cookies from Safari on iPhone. Let's get started. Safari automatically saves this data unless you are using private browsing, but you can remove it anytime. First, go ahead and launch your Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Safari, or also you can search for it. After it appears, click on it. Now scroll down. You're gonna find the option of Clear History and Website Data. Click on that. You can choose a time range like last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. You can check in for the option All History. Likewise, toggle on for the option Close All Tabs. Then click on the option Clear History and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is close this. Launch a Safari browser. Now click on three dots. Then select the option Bookmarks. Then navigate to this clock kind of icon where you're going to find all of your Safari history. Click on Remove and confirm it. And that's it. With this, you have just cleared the history cache and cookies from Safari on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.